new this term is a song called Ka Waiata. The Kapaka group did it probably about 4 maybe 5 years ago. So we're bringing it back because it's a nice song. But it starts off in D. Forgive me if I put in a couple mistakes, but I'm just trying to relearn it. So that's, yeah, just using a different chord structure. So you got D, E, and that same chord we had before. So, yeah. All right, give it a nudge. Okay, thanks.